Welcome to Compu Respuestas in English. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install Netflix on your computer Windows. I'm gonna teach you that one in an easy way and step by step. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, which is quite important for us. Before we start, we should know that we need at least Windows 8, Windows 8.1 or Windows 10 as our operating system. Due to we need to access the Microsoft Store, which is only available on these operating systems. Okay, let's go and start now. So we are gonna do that one today on Windows 10. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is go to the start button as a pointer with the mouse, clicking there, and then let's go on the right side, which is Microsoft Store, and we are gonna give one click in there. Once that one open the Microsoft Store, we are gonna go to the clicking search. Once the search is open, we are gonna type Netflix. So as we can see, as soon as you type this word, it pop up the Netflix application. So let's go and left click on that one, and that one is gonna display the application. So that one is, we need to go to get application, and then it's not necessary to sign in into the Microsoft Store. So when this little option pop up, just say no thank you, and then just go to the option install. So that is the option that I was talking about. So it's not necessary, just simple close with the cross at the top, and that one is gonna start downloading the application straight away. Okay, as we see, the applications is already installed in our computer, so now we can close the Microsoft Store. But as you realize, that one doesn't leave any shortcut on the desktop, so let's go and create that one. So it's very easy. Just go back to the start button, clicking there, and if you see in recently added is the application Netflix. So the next step that we have to do is right click on the Netflix application, and once you right click, that one is gonna pop up these little windows. So let's go to more, and then go to the option P to the start bar. So as you see, we already have the shortcut all the time or permanently in our taskbar. So it's a matter of just clicking there, and that one is gonna open our windows of Netflix. So just sign in with them, put your information, your personal information, and you can see any movie or any series in Netflix from your computer Windows. So that is all the video for today. I hope this video like it. If you like it, please don't forget to give a like on that one, and please, it's important for us to subscribe to our channels. See you next time.